Namaste and welcome back. So in this video, we'll talk about text to image generation using an open source model present on Hugging Face. So in case you are spending money or you have subscribed to a text to image generation tool, then I'll show you how easy it is to create a text to image generation tool using open source model and save your money. So this is the code. That's it. We just need this code in order to access a model and generate uh, an image from whatever text you give. So it's very simple. Let me explain the concept. So what we need, we'll be installing two things: diffusers and transformers. So diffuser is a library we'll install so that we can access any diffusion model, and we are installing along with the torch. Torch we'll use to reduce the memory so that the generation can be fast. So, and transformer we need in order to process text, right? So whatever text we'll give, it will be processed by the transformer. So that's why we have installed transformers. Once we install that, we are importing diffusion pipeline class from diffusers. What does diffusion pipeline class do? Basically, it will create a pipeline through which we can access any model, and we can also reduce the memory. And then will import the torch to reduce, specifically to reduce. So basically, we are saying the torch.floating16. We are reducing the the size of the model by maybe the original model could be in float 32. So we basically are reducing that memory size, and we'll do that. Now first let's check how to find the model. Okay, so this is Hugging Face, and if you go to models, you'll see all kinds of models here, right? So there are so many models. Now what you can do, you can go to computer vision and you can see text to image. Now once you go to text to image, you can find all kinds of models, right? So what you need to do in order to get the model, click on the model, copy the name of the model, and then you have to paste it here. So you can choose any model you want. I am using Stable Diffusion X1 base 1.0. Now let's run this model and see how to whether. So it will take some time because it will load the model, because I am on free option on Google Colab, so it will take some time to generate the image. But this is what it is. We are using a Stable Diffusion model for image generation, and we are using transformers for processing the text, and a diffusion pipeline to access that model and reducing the memory. So this is what we are doing. So we gave this prompt, that an HD image of a monkey in the style of Picasso, and this is what we have got. So pretty cool, I think. So you can you can also try. I'll give the code in the description, so you can see. So you can see how easy it is to create a text to image generation tool. So you don't have to spend money on that. You can simply use this code and use it for your image purposes. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Bye.